Doing this one simple trick can actually help improve your action figures. One thing you need for this modification is a gunpla marker. This is called a Real Touch marker and I got the color gray. You can also find it at a hobby store or just online in general. But before this video starts, I like to say 100% of you are not subscribed. What the fuck? It would really help me if you guys were to subscribe and like the video to push me out into the algorithm. Alright, so taking a look at this Secret Wars Daredevil from the Wave 2 Marvel Legends, you can see that it's very flat. It's a good Daredevil, but I just don't like the shading on it, and that's where this marker comes in. Essentially, all you have to do is shade in the abs. And before you say, oh, this looks suspicious, just trust the process. Literally, all you got to do is shade any outline or any muscle definition, and I promise you, if you do this right, it will come out looking good. I'm using the very large tip marker, but you can use the small tip marker if you don't want to get too much in. Literally grab a Q-tip and literally just rub off the paint. I don't know why it sticks to the plastic, but it does something incredible and changes the way it actually is. Instead of having that bright red, we have a little bit of a darker shade, and it gives the muscles more definition. Now, this does work for any Marvel Legends that I've tried personally. I've done over 10 action figures with this shading method, and they've all come out pretty good. Just try not to leave too many streaks. All you gotta do is literally go back with the Q-tip, and don't worry about messing up because it'll just get blended in. But if you do mess up way too much, I do think you can remove it with a bit of acetone. And tell me what you guys think. Do you guys really like how that turned out? I think it looks so good, but that's not all you have to do. You have to do the rest of the body as well in order to match the shading colors. The part that really does stick out to me is actually the back side of this Daredevil, which you're gonna see right now. The back has so much muscle definition, but it has no shading at all. I'm telling you, the before and after is simply incredible. Literally trace every outline you see, every part, every crevice, just trace it, and then you want to leave the marker for about like 10 seconds, so just to let it dry a little bit, but don't leave it out for too long because then it'll be harder to wipe away those marker stains. But yeah, just keep shading, and you want to make sure you go over and hit every spot. And like I said, Q-tip, all you got to do is rub it off a little harder, and you can see right here from right now, depending on how much you want to remove, it can make your muscles look insanely detailed. And right now I'm gonna put up a before and after photo, but it really does make the difference on these Marvel Legends. And like I said, this is simple modification that won't really hurt, because if you mess up, you can just do it all over again. It's not like you're gonna trim plastic or anything else, but it definitely does improve the figure itself. But yeah, like I said, this is the before and after, and I could tell you, like, it's so flat compared to what it is now. Like, the muscle definition is definitely there, and I do recommend you doing this on every part of the body. I did go a little bit crazy on the legs, so the paint did get a little dried up on the left side of the leg. So for the legs, I do definitely recommend you do one leg at a time so the other side won't dry up. But yeah, just enjoy this montage of me going over with marker and drying it up with the Q-tip so you can see the process. And I definitely do recommend you trying this out, so just drop down in the comments down below which Marvel Legends you decided to do this with. But yeah, that's how the figure came out. I think it's a great display of the true potential of Marvel Legends. All it needed was a very quick shade, and it definitely popped this figure out to its greatest potential. But yeah, like I said, please make sure to subscribe and like the video, because it does help me push out this video into the algorithm. I appreciate it so much, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video.